is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road in this beautiful gray color. If this is your first time stopping by the channel and watching our videos, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Turn those post notifications on, and that way you won't miss out when anything new comes out. In the last video, you did see us take down that huge rear end, find the hidden damage on the drive shaft. We got all that took out. We're just now trying to get some time set aside to take it down and get it repaired at the axle shop. So that is a top priority on our list of things to do. What we're gonna do right now is we did purchase from the Facebook Marketplace a used tailgate for this truck. Our tailgate was missing, and this one has a dinger right here. It's a pretty good dinger, but I think we can save it. We're pretty sure we can save this thing. Maybe save ourselves some money, make it look really nice, make it look OEM. We already ordered some parts for it to get it fixed up. But what I think I'll do right now is we'll just jump on it real quick, get us a hammer out, get us some stuff out, see if we can pull it right back into shape. If we can do that really quick, we know we won't have any problems with it. So let's stop talking and let's start working. So we have been working on this little tailgate that we picked up for $50. You know, sometimes when you pick something up for $50, there's a reason you pick it up for $50, but you know what? We're getting this thing perfectly straight. We welded up a little bit of crack. We straightened it all up. Just got to put just a little bit of filler in here and there. This thing is going to be perfect. It's going to be amazing. But what we got to do now, we do have to change this cab corner on this truck. It's got to be changed. So we got to get all of this trim out, all the way down. So we might as well go ahead and get ready. Let's get the seat out. Let's get the trim off. Let's probably take this door off. You know, we'll take this door off. We're going to get that out of our way. We're going to go ahead and do that. I mean, we might as well. Why don't we go ahead and get it all done? Alrighty guys, check it out. We got that axle loaded. We got the drive shaft loaded. We got it all tied in. This bed on this truck is just a little bit short, but we got it tied in. We're gonna make the trip to Rossville, Georgia, and we're gonna get this axle fixed. That's the next thing on our agenda. We got two things. We gotta get the axle fixed. We gotta get the drive shaft fixed. Gotta get those two things fixed. And once we get those two things fixed, we'll go back down there. We'll get that axle picked up. We will bring it right back up here and put it right back on our truck. We need that suspension perfect because we also got this done. You can see that we removed this door. We removed all the inside from this truck. We moved the seats. We took the panels out. We took everything out on the inside because we're gonna be welding this new cab corner on. We wanna make sure that there's nothing in there that we can actually catch on fire. So we got everything out of the way. The next thing we gotta do here is we gotta get our new cab corner piece to know exactly where we gotta cut this thing. We got it ordered, it's on its way. So we got lots of things going on this truck. We have done 100% all we can do until we get some parts. So you know what? That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Drop us a like, leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.